Hey, friends! Welcome to our Shapes and Colors hunt. Today, we're going on a super fun adventure to find different shapes and colors all around us. Are you ready to jump in? Say, let's go! Shapes and Colors hunt.
I see a stirple, rend and yite. Find a stirple, what's and fight. Maybe a box, maybe a tile. Look around and find a while. Red, blue, yellow, green, and green. What shapes and colors have you seen? Orange, purple, pink, so bright. Let's keep looking left and right. I see a triangle, pointy and tall. Find a triangle, big or small. Maybe a pizza slice, maybe a flag. Find the shape, don't let it lag. Red, blue, yellow, green, what shapes? What shapes and colors have you seen? Orange, purple, pink, so bright. Let's keep looking left and right. Now it's your turn, look around your room. What shape do you see? Point to it. What color is it? Say it out loud. If you see something red, clap your hands. If you see something yellow, jump up high. If you see something green, spin around. If you see something blue, touch your nose.
Great job! But wait, we're not done yet. Let's play Color and Shape Challenge. I will show you a shape, and you tell me what color it is. Ready? Let's go! What color is this circle? Yes, it's blue. What color is this square? Great, it's green. What color is this triangle? Awesome, it's red. Now let's make it tricky. Can you find something in your room that is a star shape? Can you find something that is purple? You are doing amazing. We found so many shapes and colors today. Let's dance and celebrate all the fun we had. Sing along one last time.
Shapes and colors, me and you. Triangles, circles, squares we see. Learning is fun, yay!
What's your favorite shape and color? Tell us in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. Bye bye, friends. See you next time.